Helvengo closes the discrepancy between the distribution side's need for flexibility and the risk carrier's legacy system in an efficient way. Their MGA as a service platform enables offering fast time to market with products that better serve the risk carrier's customers with full transparency and control. Helvengo's cloud-based platform not only provides all necessary processes for new business and policy administration, but it also offers different front ends for its user groups in a unique MGA setup. Today, they will showcase the interaction of sales partner onboarding and product configuration, third-party data integration, and risk carrier onboarding on the Helvengo platform. Next on stage, Helvengo.
Hello everyone, I'm Felix, co-founder and CEO of Helvengo.
Hi, I'm Bene, co-founder and CEO at Helvengo.
And I'm Chris, head of sales of Helvengo sales partner Ease.
We are here today to show you how insurance can be redefined when state-of-the-art technology meets experts from different industries in the Helvengo ecosystem, and what can be achieved when everyone is pushing for the same goal. Our core product, the MGA platform, seamlessly connects risk capacity with innovative distribution channels. In between, Helvengo designs insurance solutions where the use of real-time data and sensor technology is an inherent part of the product. This enables us to make better underwriting decisions and mitigate or even prevent losses. We create a truly win-win-win situation for risk carriers, distributors, and policyholders. Bene will show us in the following demo how this is applied to Helvengo's insurance product powered by IoT. But first, over to you, Chris, to explain what challenges you have at Ease, a risk solutions broker purely focusing on property managers.
Thank you, Felix. Our research has shown that the average property manager has over 500 hours of work per year for water damage claims, time and effort which could be spent more efficiently elsewhere. On top of that, premiums are increasing because of increasing costs for materials, labor, and the high combined ratio in the German insurance. Ease wants to ensure that premiums remain acceptable while insurers make a profit again. We believe technology make a next step. So far, we haven't found any solution, but with Helvengo, we found a partner which can make our mission becoming reality. Next, I will go to Bene, and Bene will show us the seamless insurance process by Helvengo.
Perfect. Thanks, Chris. So let's get started with the demo. Within this demo, I will show you 3 different processes. Firstly, how we onboard a new property manager. Then secondly, how we quote and underwrite the property manager's building portfolio. And then thirdly, how we run through the claims management process that is powered by our IoT sensor technology. So let's get started with the first process, the property manager onboarding. And for that, I'll be logging into our platform. This property manager onboarding process was quite a tedious process at Ease so far, both in terms of collecting information from the property manager, as well as then importing it into the system. Now, within our platform, we solve this by having this new property manager button right here. We have the possibility to now enter some core information over here, so we do that. And then on the right side, the broker, in this case Ease, has the possibility to upload the property manager's portfolio. This portfolio is mostly available in Excel and holds both policy information as well as historic claim information. So let's use just this one. We can upload it, and then any second now we have the possibility to create an account. And with that, we basically get a full overview of the aggregates as well as the individual building information that you can see at the bottom. So this is the full portfolio of the property manager, holding all underwriting relevant information. Now, what we can see here as well is that there are still some blank spots, right? So some data fields are missing. This is obviously causing some issues to underwriter, especially when they need to quote this portfolio. So this is why we worked on another feature which allows us to enrich those data sets by clicking the Enrich All Data button. Here we use external databases that fill in the blanks and make this portfolio really underwriting ready. Now, as part of our MGA setup that we have created, we also have the competency and authority in-house to co-create insurance products. In this case, we teamed up with our designated insurance partner Unica Liechtenstein. and have built an insurance product, a building insurance product that has this IoT technology as an integral part of the insurance solution. Now this insurance product is already fully integrated in Helvengo's core system, and now by hitting the generate offer button we can now use all the data that was now input to actually get a first quote back. So we can see the premium up here. We can also see that documents have been generated, and we can also see that this offer has been created, but with certain conditions that apply. Now, in collaboration with more traditional risk carriers, the broker, in this case Chris and his team, they would be asked to optimize this portfolio, optimize it for a better claims quota in the future. This has been done in the past in one of two ways. So either by increasing the deductible on the very claims heavy buildings, or by removing some of those buildings from the portfolio altogether. Now you can imagine that this caused quite some painful discussions that Chris had to have with the property manager as well as the building owner, as some of those buildings weren't able to be insured anymore. Now, we have actually partnered up with Munich Re's industrial IoT team and have come up with a third solution for this optimization, which is the use of IoT sensors. This is also fully integrated into the platform, and we can install those water sensors right here, assign them, install them, and with that, we will see up here that this offer that we previously created is now becoming valid and the policy can be generated. Now, the third process that we want to be looking at is the claims management process and the IoT sensors and how they work. So we strongly believe that with the IoT sensors we can reduce the claims quota quite significantly. But this can only happen if all of the stakeholders work on the same platform that you've just seen, and that any of those notifications that are being sent from these water leakage sensors are being followed up immediately. So let's have a look how we solve this in the platform. We can go to the portfolio section here. We can use one of the property managers, and we can just look at the portfolio down here. So you can see that in this case, 2 sensors have already been installed on two buildings. They actually send live data, so we always know whether they are active or inactive. In this case, they are active, and for demo and test purposes, we'll just now use this particular building. And we have actually brought a device here that we use to measure this water pressure, and Felix is holding it up right now, so you can see the main device. You can see this black part here that is basically being installed at the pipe, at the main water pipe, measuring the water pressure. And for this particular test right now, this demo test, we'll actually use an extension that normally measures the water humidity on the floor of the building. And you can see a glass of water right here. So we'll do this live test now, put this into some water. And what you will be seeing up here is that there will be a new claim coming up any second. So this is basically running through the system right now. And here we go. So we have this claim here. We can open it up. And what we see is that this claim alert has actually already triggered first notifications that also go out to the broker as well as to the plumber that can take some first immediate action. And with that, it's actually we clearly see that we can reduce the time frame of the turnaround time of managing a claim. Plus, we can definitely see that with that we reduce claims quota and put an end to ever-rising prices in building insurance. Now back to you, Felix.
Thank you, Bene. So for us, this is just the beginning of a journey to fully leverage the power of data and technology in insurance. With our platform, we open a wide range of possibilities to break new ground, also in other industries. So let's meet at our booth and discuss your use case. Thank you very much.